Getting started with PowerPoint 2007, you will notice that there are many similar features to previous versions. You will also notice that there are many new features that you'll be able to utilize. There are 3 features that you should remember as you work within PowerPoint 2007: the Microsoft Office button, the Quick Access toolbar, and the ribbon. The functions of these features will be more fully explored. A presentation is a collection of data and information that is to be delivered to a specific audience. A PowerPoint presentation is a collection of electronic slides that can have text, pictures, graphics, tables, sound, and video. This collection can run automatically or can be controlled by a presenter. The Microsoft Office button performs many of the functions that were located in the file menu of older versions of PowerPoint. This button allows you to create a new presentation, open an existing presentation, save or save as, print, send, or close. The ribbon is the panel at the top portion of the document. It has 7 tabs. The home that contains clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, and editing. The insert tab contains tables, illustrations, links, text, and media clips. The design tabs contains page setup, themes, and background. The animations tab contains preview, animations, transition to this slide. The slideshow tab, it contains start slideshow, setup, and monitors. The review tab, it contains proofing, comments, and protect. The view tab, it contains presentation views, show or hide zoom, window, and macros. The Quick Access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that contains commands that you may want to use. You can place the Quick Access toolbar above or below the ribbon. To change the location of the Quick Access toolbar, click on the arrow at the end of the toolbar and click Show below the ribbon. Navigation through the slides can be accomplished through the slide navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Also, an outline appears from materials that have been entered in the presentation. To access the outline, click the Outline tab. Presentations can be viewed in a variety of manners. On the View tab, the Presentation Views group allows you to view the slide as normal, slide sorter, notes, page, slideshow, slide master, handout master, and notes master.